Innovation is the ability to see the change as an opportunity, not a threat. Good evening, everyone. I'm Rachna Kotian, the Secretary of IEEE UVCE Computer Society. It is my honor to extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you to the inaugural ceremony of Codefury 9.0. I now invite Bhuvana Kashyap to render the invocation song as we welcome the presence of the divine on his special day.
गजवदना पेडुबे गजवदना पेडुबे गौरी तनया गजवदना पेडुबे गौरी तनया त्रिजगवन्दितने सुजनर पोरेवने गजवदना पेडुबे गौरी तनया त्रिजगवन्दितने सुजनर पोरेवने गजवदना पेडुबे पाशाङ्कुशधर परम पवित्र पाशाङ्कुशधर परम पवित्र मूषिकवाहन मुनिजन प्रेम पाशाङ्कुशधर परम पवित्र मूषिकवाहन मुनिजन प्रेम गजवदना पेडुबे मुदದಿ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಪಾದವ ತೋರೋ ಸಾಧು ಬಂದಿತನೆ ಆದರದಿಂದಲೇ ಮುದದಿ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಪಾದವ ತೋರೋ ಸಾಧು ಬಂದಿತನೆ ಆದರದಿಂದಲೇ ಸರಸಿ ಜನಾಭ ಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಸರಸಿ ಜನಾಭ ಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ನಿರತ ನೆನೆಯುವಂತೆ ದಯ ಮಾಡೋ ಸರಸಿ ಜನಾಭ ಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ನಿರತ ನೆನೆಯುವಂತೆ ದಯ ಮಾಡೋ गजवदना पेडुबे गौरी तनय त्रिजगवन्दितने सुजनर पोरेवने गजवदना पेडुबे गजवदना पेडुबे गजवदना पेडुबे
Thank you, Bhuvana. As technology increasingly dominates every facet of our lives, the need for inventive and clever approaches to addressing real world challenges has never been greater. Codefury has witnessed some spirited performances and ingenious solutions over the last 8 years, and we hope to see the same this year as well. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our generous sponsors for Codefury 9.0. We have IEEE Computer Society Bangalore chapter as our general sponsor, Navan as our community partner, .xyz as our domain partner, MongoDB as our education partner, and Unstop as a platform partner. Your support has been instrumental in making this event a reality, and we are truly thankful for your commitment to our cause. Now I wish to call upon Prathana Yu, the Secretary of IEEE UVCE Computer Society, to welcome everyone present here.
Thank you, Rachna. Good evening, everyone. Now, I would like to introduce our special guest. In her absence, I would like to welcome Dr. P. Dipashana Imam, Chair IEEE Bangalore Section 2022. I would like to welcome Dr. Kiran Kesar, Advisor of IEEE UVCE Computer Society. It is our privilege to have you here, sir. I would like to welcome Dr. Pushpa C. N. Ma'am, Branch Counselor, IEEE UVCE, Chair IEEE Bangalore Section, WIE Affinity Group. It is our privilege to have you here, ma'am. I would also like to warmly welcome of the chairpersons of all the departments, the faculty, and the judges. Furthermore, we extend a warm welcome to our creative and talented participants who consistently ignite the spirit of Codefury year after year. Now, I request Dr. Kiran Kesar to speak a few words and announce the problem statement of Codefury 9.0.
Good evening, everybody. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Codefury is an annual national level hackathon conducted by IEEE UVCE Computer Society. Over the past 7 successful editions, Codefury has grown into a platform that brings together developers from across the country to showcase their skills, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. This year marks the ninth iteration of Codefury, with an overwhelming number of participants joining us to continue this legacy of innovation. Our goal has always been to provide developers with a stage to experiment, learn, and refine their skills. The problem statements are drawn from real life issues in industries and society, encouraging participants to create practical and impactful solutions. For this edition of Codefury 9.0, participants will be working on 3 unique themes with one problem statement under each theme. They will have the flexibility to choose any problem statement and build their solution using either the web development track or the app development track based on their expertise and interest. The hackathon will run for 24 hours, during which participants will ideate, design, and develop their solutions. Once submitted, the projects will undergo several rounds of evaluation, ensuring a fair assessment of technical proficiency, creativity, and overall impact. This structure not only tests technical proficiency but also emphasizes creativity, problem solving, and the ability to deliver complete solutions under time constraints. The problem statement for this Codefury is the first track is it? The first track, wealth tech and investment solutions. Financial literacy in India is growing, but financial confidence is not. Students begin SIPs without understanding risk. Professionals struggle to manage investments spread across multiple platforms. And first time investors often rely on social media hype instead of data driven decisions. Design an innovative, user-centric platform for investing, saving, budgeting, or personal finance that transforms complex financial and market data into clear, personalized, and actionable insights. Solutions may address any stage of the financial journey, such as risk profiling, portfolio consolidation, goal-based planning, or spend analysis, and should empower users to make informed financial decisions with confidence. This is the problem statement. And second one is accessibility and inclusive technology. Millions of people in India face digital exclusion due to visual, hearing, motor, or cognitive impairments, language barriers, or low digital literacy. Most digital platforms are built for an average user, making everyday tasks such as accessing information, filling forms, making payments, or communicating online challenging or even impossible. Design an innovative, inclusive solution that removes these barriers and creates accessible, intuitive, and dignified digital experiences for everyone, regardless of ability, language, or background. The domains can be banking, education, healthcare, government services, communication, or beyond, as long as their solution meaningfully improves accessibility and inclusion. The third one is AI marketplace. As AI models continue to grow across industries and use cases, developers, startups, and businesses often struggle to discover, evaluate, trust, and deploy the right models, while creators lack simple and reliable ways to monetize their work. The AI ecosystem lacks a transparent, accessible, and trustworthy platform that effectively connects model creators with users. Design an innovative solution that simplifies the discovery, evaluation, buying, selling, and deployment of AI models. Solutions may focus on areas such as model discovery, trust and verification, pricing and monetization, seamless deployment, or enabling non-technical users to adopt AI with confidence.
विनय डाला है भाई सुबह से तो किसको मिल गया भाई
All the
टीम
best.
वाले वीडियो रहते घंटा क्या घंटा सुनने के लिए मिलते हैं
Tushar, please mute.
कौन कौन है अनोनिमस कौन है भाई ये क्या सर अनोनिमस भाई भाई रैंडम कुछ क्या बोल रहे हैं किसने भेजा है ये सुदीप स्पैदम नोटेटा
Thank you, sir. We request all the participants to stay till the end as we will be explaining the rules and regulations of the hackathon. Now, I would like to call upon Rachna to propose a vote of thanks.
Thank you, Prarthana. We would like to thank Dr. P. Deepa Shanoy ma'am, Chair IEEE Bangalore Section 2022, in her absence, Dr. Kiran K. Sir, Advisor IEEE UVCE Computer Society, Dr. Pushpa Sian ma'am, Branch Counselor IEEE UVCE, Chair IEEE Bangalore Section WIE Affinity Group, Director Professor Subhash Tripathi Sir, Registrar Dr. A.V. Sriram Sir, Dean Dr. C.K. Umesh Sir, F.O. Srimati Nurain K. Sharif, Placement Officer Dilip Kumar Sir. In their absence, I thank all the faculty and judges for joining this meet and gracing the event. We would also thank our sponsors for supporting us and encouraging us to strive towards innovations. I now call upon H. Navneet Dange, the Secretary of IEEE UVCE Computer Society, to explain the rules and regulations.
Thank you, Rachna. Terms and conditions. You agree that the details provided in the registration form are true and complete to the best of your knowledge. The Codefury 9.0 organizing committee is in no way responsible for any incorrect information provided by the participants. Any violation of the eligibility criteria mentioned on the website will lead to immediate disqualification of the team. The participant should choose any one theme among the three themes and build a website or an application. The participants can use any IDE to design web or iOS or Android application. Participants found downloading entire templates will be disqualified, but participants are permitted to use the internet for small blocks of code to implement certain functionality to aid them in building the web page or application. The participants will be given some functionalities or features to be implemented at regular intervals via the WhatsApp group and Gmail. Extra points will be awarded for those teams implementing these features. Pushing the code to a GitHub repository at regular intervals is compulsory for both web and app development, as plagiarism will be judged based on that. It's advised to have meaningful commits. The last commit to the GitHub repository containing the source code of the application should be made by 5:59 p.m. of 23rd August 2026. All submissions that will be mentioned should be submitted via Google Form by 5:59 p.m. 22nd August 2026. The final winners will be chosen based on their final product. The final decision is based on the sole discretion of the panel of judges. The decision made by the panel of judges is final and will not be amended under any circumstances. The participants will have to heed the instructions given by the Codefury 9.0 Organizing Committee and the Codefury 9.0 Volunteering Committee. In case of any dispute, the decision of IEEE UVC is final. IEEE documentation link, solution document name as team name underscore documentation. Upload the solution document to Google Drive and submit its public link to the Google form. The documentation should contain the application description, functionality, solution to the problem statement in 150 to 200 words, GitHub repository link, and prompts implemented. Important note, below the description, make sure to mention the prompts that you have implemented. App development, an APK file of the application, not required in case of iOS application. Web development. The participants are also requested to host their website on any platform, example, Heroku, Netlify, AWS, etc. And the link to the website should also be mentioned in the document. Demo video link. Upload a screen recording showcasing the functionality and features of your application to YouTube or Google Drive and submit its public link. IEEE UVC Computer Society wishes the best of luck to all the participants and feel free to contact us for any queries. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone, and all the best.